Bunk management also plays an important role in delivering high-quality feed to cows. Feed gets stale if it's allowed to sit in feeders for extended periods of time, particularly during the summer when warmer temperatures can encourage mold growth. We have to ensure that leftover feed is removed from feeding areas regularly because feed intake may be reduced by stale feed. Keep feeding areas and wagons free of feed and remove feed buildup in corners because these conditions lead to mold growth. When confronted with a toxicity problem, stop feeding the contaminated feed if possible or try to reduce its inclusion rate in the diet.